What's up, bro? I know a lot of you guys have had this question. What happens with loose skin? What's the deal with loose skin? I am one of those guys online that you're watching right now that has lost 120 pounds. I'm about to answer that question in this video. I'm out in LA right now. I'm gonna take you on a little adventure with me as I'm explaining exactly what's the situation with loose skin. So the first thing I want to talk about as to why I don't have loose skin is because I lost weight in a healthy manner. A lot of people think they don't understand how weight loss works, so they just try to do what they think is gonna work, and that means cutting out way too many calories and doing things that is not healthy. So yeah, you can lose 100 pounds in 6 months, go ahead, but you're gonna have a ton of loose skin, you're not gonna feel good, you're probably gonna get it all right back, and that's not sustainable. Keep in mind, my skin is not super tight, but I do not have any floppy loose skin anywhere on my body. Yes. And look at that. The second reason as to why I don't have a lot of loose skin is because I am also young. My skin is very adaptable. So if you're older, the older you get, when you see older people and they have like looser, saggier skin, that's because their skin is just older. They're just older people. So if you're younger, you're gonna be able, your skin's gonna be able to adapt a lot better, and you're gonna be more fortunate than the people that are maybe 50, 60, 70 years old that are gonna have to lose a lot of weight. But typically people at that age don't want to lose that much weight. If you're younger, then you have a better opportunity for your skin to kind of shrink back and adjust to your body. Also, it depends on how long you've been carrying weight. So if you have, let's say 100 or 150, 200 pounds to lose, and you've had that much weight to lose for 20 or 30 years, your skin's gonna be so adapted to how big your body is. But if you've only been overweight for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then you're gonna have a lot better of a chance of your body being able to adapt, your skin being able to adapt back to your body. Basically, your skin hasn't gotten used to being stretched for a long period of time. Also, I want to talk about the fact that I am 6'4", so I'm a lot taller of a person. Because I had 120 pounds to lose and I'm not short, the fat around my body did not, like, it wasn't compressed so much. There wasn't so much fat stretching out one area of my body. For you guys that are a little bit shorter than 6'4", or if you're like a lot shorter than 6'4", and you carry a lot more weight in some areas, your skin's gonna be a lot more stretched out compared to when you lose weight and you're gonna be a lot thinner. Of the fact that I'm tall, I didn't really have to struggle with that. And when you think about loose skin, you have to think about where the fat is in your body. So if you carry a lot of fat in, let's say, your legs, all of that weight that you need to lose is in your legs, then that's gonna be where your loose skin is probably going to happen. That's where your loose skin's gonna be. Or if you carry a lot of the weight in your belly area, then you're probably gonna have a lot of loose skin in your belly area. But it really all depends on how your body disperses fat. Luckily for me, the fat was pretty much dispersed everywhere, right? Like if you've seen the pictures of me when I was younger, my face, like it was just a ball, okay? I carried fat there, I carried fat all around my body. I was like, it was pretty evenly dispersed throughout my body, so I wasn't carrying a ton of fat in my legs, I wasn't carrying a ton of fat in my belly or on my back or anything. It was pretty much dispersed throughout my whole body. That also made it a lot easier. For instance, let's say the amount of body fat that I had to lose around my whole body was about this much. But let's say this other person has to lose the same amount of weight, he's a little bit shorter, he carries a lot of that fat in just his belly area, and he has to lose like that much fat from his body. I'm talking about like coming out from his body. That means his skin was stretched that much more in his belly area, whereas I was only stretched out this much around my whole body. So my skin wasn't super stretched out in one specific area. Do not worry about loose skin. Like, that should be the absolute least of your worries if you still have yet to lose weight. The very first thing you need to take care of is your health and your body. Lose the weight and then deal with it later, and then worry about it later. Don't worry about it right now, because that's something, if this is stopping you from losing weight, then that is the biggest problem that you could have. Don't worry about it. The only thing you should be focusing on is losing weight. Focus on your caloric deficit, keep exercising, be healthy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification if you're not already subscribed. I want to see you guys back again for tomorrow's video. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.